Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, just want to go over what I sold over the week and that I'll be shipping out. And let's first start with coins. I got a Stone Mountain MS62 Rattler here. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but basically all the dark toning is actually rainbow toning. And it's most prevalent in daylight, so I have my window open for the sun. I think you can almost see it, but basically right here is actually going to be rainbow. And I just don't think the camera's picking up on it. That's okay. And it's got the same thing. Let's see, is that right? Yep, that's right. So on the back here, that dark toning as well is going to have a bunch of colors, but what I've seen in the daylight is like yellow, green, red. I'm trying to think what else. Orange. And it's almost like an blotchy appearance, which I've never seen before, but there's got to be a reason why it looks like that. So somebody paid up for it. I'm kind of glad somebody bought it, so it's out of my collection. I just think somebody else can enjoy it and appreciate it more than I did. But to be honest, I just like having them and enjoying them for a little bit and then moving on to the next coin. So I guess I'm just not as, attached to the coins as some people are. Sold another pair of boots to the same person that sold them or bought them last week. Different size, women's size. Forgot to show it off before I packed it, but it was like a rose gold colored pair of Burn snowboard boots, women's size. I think it was like an 8 or something, 8.5. So it's going to Cali again. So there is demand for snowboard boots out there, believe it or not. Definitely slowing down. I've gotten some lowball offers on my snowboard stuff, but still selling. So if you guys are into that, put your stuff up, see if anybody buys it. That's all I got for right now. A little bit of a slower week, but the coin purchase made up for it, definitely. And we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Take care.